Yo guys, it's Sam here, welcome back to the channel. We're off on my motorbike today. It's shit weather, so yeah, the video quality is not that good and my audio is not that good. Hopefully upgrade to a better camera soon. I'm using a cheapy Chinese camera, but it does the job. Yeah, as you can see, I've got my fuel cleaner, engine cleaner. We're going to unwrap the bike and all there in a second. Yeah, we're just going to have a little bit of a cruise, do some errands that I've got to do, and then I'm going to head back home and all. We'll skip a bit of the bike unwrapping and all, because the bike's called Bluey. Yeah, I want to get back into YouTube doing motovlogs again. I do miss it. But yeah, it's my little Lexmoto Assult 125. Got a big band's exhaust. That's what I call it. It is noisy. Really noisy as well, the bike is. But yeah, it does the job. There's the fuel cleaner. Gave it into the tank, and then I'll fill the bike up in a minute. I'm just going to use it all up because there's hardly anything left in the bottle. But it didn't really work. I think it just needs that spark plug and coil pack put on, because yeah, it definitely needs a spark plug or something, because the bike is just juttering, and yeah, you when you watch the video like me riding, you'll find out. But yeah, we're gonna skip to when I'm actually riding, I suppose. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Please be sure to smash that subscribe button, like, comment and share for more motovlogs. And yeah, enjoy.
Go away, mate! Leave! Better shit, brother! Oh yeah, I think it's nice weather the other day, but leave! Go away! Please! Oh, Ray, please go away! Oh! Man, I haven't done like a YouTube video for so long. That's so unreal. I do like a wheelie, like, no, I'm joking. You're not allowed to park on that, mate, just to let you know. Why didn't I think about filtering? This will be fine here. I know it's raining, but please don't fucking die. Begging you not fucking die, it's raining! Oh, I haven't rode in the rain for so long. I'm going to put the fuel station over there. Ah, it's raining! Oh, sorry, I'm screaming. I do not like the rain. It's not very nice, is it? Because I get all wet. There's Bluey here, she gets all wet as well. Bluey the motorbike, please. Lexmoto Assult, man, what are you saying? Noisy exhaust. Fucking awesome. Oh! That cat! Oh! Bike start running right. And I need to get it fixed when I got money. Still broke the bike though. I said my bike speed, that's so red. I want to hold the rest consistent thing. You're going to die. See that? Got like flip it on the ground. See? Oh man, this is fucking funny though. I just get all that traffic, sorry. We'll get a Gemma for her. I fancy the Mackie, huh? We're gonna get some Mackie. Bam! Work your paper, try it though. Okay. Oh, he missed the ZSV. I got him. Oh, GP! Oh, nice. Yeah, the ZSV that time, not gone now. Wow, big lorries. Those are big lorries. Make lots of room for them. Yeah, I hope everyone's been well. I haven't made a YouTube video for a while. Still my crazy self, just even more crazy. Oh yeah, they've actually finished this road. No road markings! I saw them painted this last night, fun fact. So I'm going low, so fucking slow lorries, 30 for a reason. Traffic. Every light goes red. Better neutral now. E5, proper job. Just get filled to the rim, by the way. There we go. Go on. Go on. Turn it on. Yeah, she is cool. But just fill her up. £7, full tank. Gas is full now. Burn it, keep it more. Oh, I couldn't still when I do like 300 miles in 2 tanks. But there you go. And we're going to pay pump 7. Pump 7? Oh. Give him a 10. Pump 7, please.
17.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks. Cost price of fly didn't fall out of my wallet. Is that empty? There you go. Right. But small, I love full stroke 25s, like it's so fuel efficient. I do miss my Predator though, 2-stroke things, but that's bad on fuel. There's like miles per gallon. So, here we go, guys. Right, let's go. Raining. I'm trying to think the best way to go. We're going to go left, yeah, fuck it. I want to filter through, but look how close cars get. He's got a full tank though, you should be grateful. So many cars coming. They're not going to stop for me. No. come on, you piece of shit. Thank you. Give me premium fuel, all the good shit, and you still want to fucking front right. Sorry, my friend, my anger management right now. I'm near close to home, so quite not running from you. If I'm not going to see, I'd be amazing if I'll be a big passenger car that give it a mark. But I've changed my mind now, I'll give you a good point now, alright. I don't like my pretty as well, just rank shit on it. I hate the rain. Yeah, the other day I was thinking about some nice cars down here. They go really slow there. Like high-end sports cars do like 15 mile an hour. Love the indication. Yeah, the engine out. Give it a run. How back clear out? I think you have to clear out anyway. I know this might be back to that point. Oh yeah! Getting hot again. Fucking what? Okay, right, sweet London line. There we probably go. I like that car finally. Fucking humid though, why am I sweating? It's boiling up but raining, like everything. Oh, it's weird. I don't like it. No. I'm gonna make a proper video soon, not me just rambling. I actually plan out, you know, to go for a ride, to make a proper video, motorvlog. My GoPro's about to go flat as well. Don't cut out, you cunt. Please don't cut out. Right, great. Gonna be slippy. Oh, skills, look at that! Oh, mate, fucking love it. Is that cute? No, of course not. Oh, my man. I thought I might have been my cousin Jordan, but I don't think it is. He's got a reason. Bang! That's what it needs. These sound like machine guns. Well, I do get to stop on the sound, so I'm going to turn off my light. Fucking cutting out on me. Hate this rain, but I like to ride my visor open, but I can't. Sorry, mate. Hang on. See it cutting out there. That was funny. You know what this bike reminds me of? That YouTuber. He does like daily observation videos in London. I've got his name. Give it to your right, don't you? Oh yeah, alright. I don't know. you say 3 of these as well, was it? How much? 3. So they're $3.95 individually or 3 for a tenner? I'll get 3 then. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Boom! And down. Perfecto. Do you have an account with us? Yes, I do. Daniel Bennett. No problem at all. I can find that for you. Terrible weather. It's evil, isn't it? It is. Daniel Bennett, there you are, my man. I can link that for you. Thank you very much. Have yourself a lovely day, though. You too. Thank you. Oh, it's got the I like it. Got the camera going. Yeah. Have a good day. Cheers, man. What a legend. My favourite vape shop, guys. I love the people that work there. They must recognise me the amount of time I go there. Right, next stop, local shop, and then fuck off back home. Just be careful, God. Oh, slip up and fall. Oh, look at them, letting the old people cross. How friendly. I would have done the same. Oh. I would have let them rub the bike at the same time, but they wouldn't do. Come on, we're going straight over, we don't need to indicate. Do we? No, we do not need to indicate. Don't false neutral me, you cunt. There we go, just a second, it went neutral by itself. No, I'll save it in a second. I want to get a new chain sprocket for this, so I want to replace the whole thing, get a brand new engine for it. No, I'm joking, not a brand new engine. We don't need an engine for you yet, go, do we? Mate, you could have fucking waited. I know I've got lots of room by that, but still. Come on, still a breakdown. Yeah. Oh well, time to get and pay this fucking ting. I'm going to stop recording and leave you guys here. See you next time. Thank you for watching.